Welcome to the JOST fifth wheel adjustment procedure tutorial. Here you will find how the adjustment works, how to perform testing, and how to set proper adjustments. You will also see how to properly adjust the unit after disassembly. Let's look at how the fifth wheel is constructed. The JOST fifth wheel has 4 moving parts: the release handle, the release arm, the lock bar, and the lock jaw. The locking components are coupled together. The handle is out when unlocked and in when locked. The lock adjustment screw is located at the side of the wheel as shown. Here's how the adjustment works. The lock bar is tapered and adjusts the lock tightness. Note that the lock position moves forward and back as the lock bar is adjusted. The only purpose of the adjustment screw is to stop the lock bar from jamming the lock too tightly. When the lock is closed, the adjustment screw rests against the lock bar, maintaining proper clearance. Turning the adjustment screw counterclockwise tightens the lock bar. Turning clockwise loosens the lock bar. Now let's look at the JOST lock tester that is used to check for proper lock clearance. Open the lock, then align the lock tester with the throat of the fifth wheel. Move the tester forward, then engage the hook over the wheel skirt and pull the tester forward, closing the lock. You can now test for proper adjustment. First, rock the handle forward and back, checking for movement in the lock. The lock is adjusted properly if there is no fore and aft movement. Then, disengage the hook and rotate the tester. The lock is adjusted correctly if the arm rotates freely with no fore and aft movement. It is too tight if the front of the lock tester is above the top plate. Remember, proper adjustment is the combination of no fore and aft movement with free side-to-side rotation. If adjustment is needed, use the following procedure. To tighten the adjustment, loosen the jam nut and turn the adjustment screw 1 full turn counterclockwise and retest. Repeat as necessary and retighten the jam nut when finished. Remember, always turn the adjustment screw counterclockwise to tighten. Use care not to turn the wrong direction, as this can damage the release arm. Here is why. The release arm is captured at the pivot on the bottom and the release handle at the top. Turning the wrong direction will bend the release arm. If the release arm is bent, the handle will not fall off the notch when coupling. To adjust the unit after disassembly, follow this procedure. If the adjustment screw has been removed, the screw should be initially set so the tip of the lock bar is flush with this part of the casting. Then repeat the testing procedure with the lock tester. Adjust the lock as necessary and repeat to confirm proper adjustment. For more information on JOST products, see the website at www.jostinternational.com.